How to promote your home-based internet jobs on your website using article writing. It is time for birds to fly home. The website is a potential tool. It is a gold mine if one makes use of it to focus on the priorities needed for conducting business successfully. The web has people search looking for lost people. It teaches new cadets how to save a life, and there are websites that teach you how to convert a loss-making site into a goldmine. There are sites which are for social blogging and many for education as well. Perhaps the one that is fastest growing is the affiliate marketing section, which have many gadgets and applications that integrate the handheld devices with the website very effectively. The traffic is the next thing. It is like the water in the stream, meaning, without people to visit your site, there is no site. Promoting traffic needs €1 backlinks, €1 SEO, €1 building attractive sites in recognizable places, bringing order in the house. Almost everyone is doing something on the web these days. The young ones are playing games, the older ones are learning. The people with time on their hands are busy in some business venture or the other. Blogging brings in money, not a lot, and not the kind of money that daddy makes in the office. However, if you are hardworking and do the correct things, then it is only a matter of time before the money pours in. Sweet spots make for best prices, since the only thing uppermost in the minds of people is creation of enormous wealth. One finds all kinds of markets springing up. Niches and targeted audiences. This internet market is perhaps one of the most rapidly growing web niches. People selling cars have bought the websites where the latest models zoom and flash, and one can get the specifications at a click of the button. The car dealers form joint ventures to drive traffic to their sites. The people do not have a choice any longer. It is all there. Whichever way one turns, one ends up buying a car or trading his old one. Affiliate sectors. If you cannot sell anything or do not have any money, you are welcome to sell my products. Affiliate marketing is the generosity of the people who have online stores and is the reason for increasing the product visibility of products. It also increases the indirect sales ratio aspect, since the increase in the number of people who see the product or the advertisement of the product will influence the amount of sales. Dependability and uptime of servers. The web depends on the servers functioning smoothly. The web hosting services need to keep the site up 24/7. This means that they need to keep the site serviced and functional all the time. Website maintenance is more than mere child's play. It involves serious dealings with real-time analysis of the situations, and often the host company will have to make spot decisions to keep the site up and running. Take care to choose the web hosting company who are reputable and do not cut corners, especially if your site is a commercial site. Market and marketing. There is huge demand for jewelry, and fake jewelry holds appeal for many. Creating product visibility adds to the sparkle and lures the customers. Since one does not have to pay too much for the fake jewelry, designed exactly like the originals, people prefer to use them when the occasion is not too unique or very much special. The web pages, designed for the beginners, are much like these. It will not have all the bells and whistles, but it will certainly be functional and will let the beginner know how everything hangs together. People who have several sites or stores online will also have one or two sites, which are not too costly to support and does not cost too much either. Economizing begins when you know which websites to concentrate on and how the traffic is flowing. If the traffic is not too much, you do not need a costly site. The way to keep the money pouring in is to make sure that the conversion ratio is right. It does not involve anything more than adjusting some aspect of the SEO, like the keyword density or realigning the display timing to get the conversions. If the markets open at 11 o'clock in certain parts of the world, and your site are on display from 8 to 10, obviously the targeted audience will never get to see the site. For the passive marketer, there is always the affiliate program, which may not make you as rich as a king overnight, but can give you enough returns to pay your grocery bills at least.